Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact folder you want to scan and confirming you have red/write access. This prevents permission errors. Next, decide how strict matching should be. File name and size are fast. Cryptographic hashes like SHA-256 are accurate but slower. Once done, open your chosen tool or install a lightweight CLI utility. Make sure to set the target path and include subfolders if needed. Run a quick test on a small sample to validate settings before scanning everything. Now configure filters to narrow results. Include only media, documents, or a minimum size to avoid trivial matches. Then choose the comparison method. Quick scans use name and size for speed. Thorough scans compute hashes which catch renamed duplicates. Start the scan and monitor progress. Depending on size, this may take minutes to hours. When groups appear, preview at least one file from each group to confirm duplicates. Make sure to sort by size or date to spot anomalies quickly. To finish, mark duplicates for removal but proceed cautiously. Keep one file per duplicate group and choose which to retain based on location, date, or ownership. Prefer moving files to a quarantine folder instead of immediate deletion so you can restore if needed. Once moved, verify space reclaimed and spot check a few quarantined files. If everything is correct, permanently delete the quarantine. If something goes wrong, restore from the quarantine or your backup. When in doubt, rerun a hash-based comparison.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.